Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today is the 28th of February, last day of the month. For the month of February, BTC is only up 1.4% approximately, and we have a little bit less than 9 hours to go. So it's going to be exciting to see where we are going to end up. And more importantly, my goal for this month was to hit 80 subs, so we're missing 2. So please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. And when you're down there anyways, also like and make sure that you share the video if you think this is useful, and feel free to leave me a comment. Alright guys, without further ado, let's really start diving in. Really brief one today, only quick look at BTC and ETH because there's not so much happening. The white arrows are still kind of the places where liquidity resides. So if we're going lower or higher, it will be a little bit of a liquidity run. Yesterday I talked about maybe a bullish divergence. So far we haven't had it, of course. I'm also kind of watching, is this a super ugly W pattern? Also not really. So I'm kind of keeping an eye on the charts. All in all, the volatility is pretty low. If we are going higher, we have quite some resistance above us. We right away have here that value area low from this very big range. Just above there we have the point of control, and then actually the whole liquidity fest starting, and then of course we have the golden pocket here at 24,300 to approximately 24,400. That would be nice, but I think actually once we go there, we just gonna keep popping up and take this liquidity as well. And just underneath us we had that the golden pocket there where we bounce off from, and also that yellow horizontal line which was the top from a couple of months ago. I also showed that in yesterday's video. I think it was came in all the way at September. So that is right now where we're looking out for. Yes, you could also scalp this, then you really need to zoom into let's say the 15 minute or the 5 minute, and then you can take tiny scalps. But this has been oh wait, let me check this. I mean, this is only 1%, and we're talking about a time frame of 8, almost 9 hours. So not so much volatility to trade here. It is tradable, but you kind of need to use high leverage and stick to the charts to make some profit. So again, these were my levels. Still, this is what I'm looking out for. I first want to see some movement before I am entering the market, because right now we're a little bit in the middle, not really taking the highs, not really taking the lows. So I want to see a decisive move before I am jumping in. Then quickly head over to ETH. This is ETH on the 4 hour. This is a very macro volume profile. Here on the Binance chart, we're still fighting with that value area high. On the Bybit chart, that is much higher, shy of 2000. But for now, it is here on the Binance chart. And you can also see that there is actually a lot of volume that we're struggling here to get higher. We once touched that golden pocket, the 61.8, and then we moved lower and also measured from this low right here. Let me zoom in, then it's a little bit better visible for you guys. From this low right here to the top, back to the golden pocket, and that's also where we exactly bounce off. So also the GP for BTC and GP for ETH, that is actually very nice. You could also say, you know what, I'm actually also taking a volume profile for this entire range, and then you can see that that macro value area high also coincides with the point of control of this range. That of course is not a coincidence. And also the value area low was exactly GP, so that was actually super nice that we just bounced off there. So far I stick to my guns, also saying here again, so far ETH looks a little bit stronger than BTC. So once BTC really starts popping and starts going, then I think ETH will rally much faster. The other way around, if BTC starts to go lower, then of course we also want to see that strength and not see such a big dump as we see on Ethereum. For now, for ETH, this is a very important low to hold. If we break this, yeah, then it's lights out. We might go much faster, but this has been much more of a sideways range compared to BTC, where we really were kind of stair-stepping higher. For BTC, of course, this right here, oh sorry, this right here is still the most important low that we need to hold now if we want to march higher. But it would actually be a nice FU if we first go lower, or maybe if tomorrow start the month in the red and then march higher to then push out a very nice monthly candle. That actually would be super nice right now. So also ETH, actually same kind of story as BTC. We still have liquidity on both sides. I am waiting for a decisive move before I am taking more action. If we are going higher again, then a golden pocket and a yellow line, 1790, approximately 1800, and above that there's not a lot of resistance. But right now, this kind of sideways markets, we have to take it day by day, level by level, trade by trade. With that being said, that was already it for today. Again, guys, if you like the content, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Like I said, you would really do me a favor if we can push it to 80 subs in the last few hours of the month of February. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.